With the lockdown eased up quite a bit and life going back to somewhat normal, most people like myself are back to our old routine of going to office every day. What adds a little bit of spice and excitement to my everyday commute is the all-new Hero Glamour Xtec with Ride Smart features.
The Glamour Xtec gets a beautiful digital display along with Bluetooth connectivity that allows for call and SMS notifications along with an extremely handy mobile charger.
Chachu, football practice, Papa sleeping.
Alright, slight detour, I don't mind. Not like I have an option.
Luckily, I can cruise through to surprise destinations effortlessly with turn-by-turn navigation and Google Maps connectivity directly onto my digital display. So no more of those half-awkward selfie sticks that never stay still. I just make the most of my ride.
Chachu, chalo.
I mean, our ride.
Safety always comes first, and with the added responsibility of getting this little Ronaldo to his practice on time, I'm glad that the Glamour Xtec ensures the utmost safety of the rider and the pillion. The motorcycle offers a side stand visual indication, segment first side stand engine cutoff, and bank angle sensor that cuts off the engine during a fall.
The ride is extremely comfortable and the handling very fluid. The fact that it looks just as good as it does is the perfect cherry on the top on a 125cc cake. That is exactly why this guy loves to hitch a ride with me every single time. Just go have fun.
Bye.
I don't know what to tell you. Sometimes it's just a boring day at office. But looks like it's about to change.
Getting stuck in traffic, especially when you're on your way to meet someone special, is never a pleasant feeling. But the Glamour Xtec makes it a breeze to move through the city even in traffic, as it has auto sail, smooth and hassle-free riding even at low speeds, which is perfect for high traffic conditions. It boasts of i3S, a revolutionary idle start-stop system that saves fuel by cutting off the engine during idling.
The Glamour Xtec is the perfect partner for my everyday rides, as it is a blend of comfort and performance. Speaking of perfect partners,
Nothing compares to the open road, the wind across your face, a smooth and powerful ride, and great company all along for it. The Glamour Xtec goes above and beyond in its segment with a 5-speed gearbox that allows for better cruising speeds, which means better fuel efficiency and more cash in my pocket, especially with fuel price skyrocketing. It also boasts of X-Sense technology that gives you superior pickup across the RPM band, along with better power and mid-range torque. It provides all-day riding comfort with real road presence. The motorcycle is equipped with a rear 5-step adjustable hydraulic shock absorber, front 240mm disc brake, wider rear tire, and a ground clearance of 180mm. This makes the Glamour Xtec the most powerful, comfortable, and stylish motorcycle in its segment. Speaking of stylish, Hero has elevated the glamour quotient to the complete style package by adding 3D branding, rim tapes, along with an aforementioned gorgeous digital display. It ups the style quotient even further with an LED headlamp with an H signature position lamp with the best range in segment headlamp brightness that gives you 34% more headlamp intensity. The Glamour Xtec looks and feels young, vibrant, and fresh.
This has been a great ride, and the ride back today is going to be the perfect way to end this beautiful day. Oh, before I forget, we're giving away 5 Hero t-shirts, 3 for the best comments on our YouTube video
and 2 for the best answers to the questions we've put out on our Instagram page. And while you're at it, do not forget to subscribe to Turbocharged for all the amazing content coming your way.
It's my turn to ride.